Silos open, the metal gleams, a nightmare born of broken dreams. We built the towers, we paved the way to throw the gift of life away. It's not a judgment from the sky, but greed that makes the children cry. We gave the keys to men of gold and sold the souls we should have held. Think twice before the fire falls. We're deaf to all of spirit's calls. The world will end by a human hand, a desert made of glass and sand. We put our backs against the wall and watch the final curtain fall. False messiahs promise wealth while stealing every nation's health. They toss our morals in the ditch to make the dying kings stay rich. No holy war, no divine plan, just ignorance in every man. The switch is flipped, the wires hum, the day of silence has begun. Think twice before the fire falls. We're deaf to all of spirit's calls. The world will end by a human hand, a desert made of glass and sand. We put our backs against the wall and watch the final curtain fall. Bowed and let him go. They didn't have the strength for no. They traded truth for power seat. Now democracy is obsolete. We fight for oil, we fight for pride, with nowhere left for us to hide. The fallout drifts across the plain where nothing grows in toxic rain. If anyone is left alive in darkness where the few survive, they'll starve until they're skin and bone and weep upon a jagged throne. When travelers from the stars descend to see how we embrace the end, they'll find the words carved in stone. Our greed was all we'd ever known. Bombs fly, mothers cry, no one left to tell us why. Bombs fly, mothers cry, wait until we all must die. Before you know it was all a lie. On your last breath, before you're dead. He said he did it for the good, but you just misunderstood. The devil's rules were all he kept, while every silent angel wept. Our end is almost complete, sealed in lies and deceit. The world is burning, it's too late for learning. Bombs fly, mothers cry, no one left to tell us why. Bombs fly, mothers cry, wait until we all must die. Before you know it was all a lie. On your life